Yo, what is good, everybody? You may notice that I'm not in my studio today, and that is because I'm in Florida. So I'm sorry if there's any like background noise and if the lighting isn't that great. But today is actually the second video of the mystery shoe unboxing series that we're doing on this channel. So we had one video, and if you haven't seen that, make sure to go check that out before you watch this video. But basically what we do is we try to find like sneakers that are over $100, like super cheap. So this one actually retailed for $120, and the person that bought these got these for $40. And so I have no clue what these shoes are, and I think that they are an NMD from Adidas, because I'm pretty sure they retail for $120, but I'm not sure. But we'll just have to see what this shoe is. So last time, actually I'm not gonna tell you guys what the shoe was last time, because you gotta go watch that obviously after you watch this video. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this shoe open to see what it is. Okay, so before I actually reveal the shoe, I'm doing a sneaker giveaway when I hit 3,000 subscribers, so make sure you go check that out in the link in the description at the end of the video. Okay, so I'm gonna peek in here. So it is an Adidas shoe right there. So I actually don't know what this box is. I'm pretty sure it's an NMD box because it's got these stripes. Let's see. Oh, no, it is not an NMD. I have no clue what this is. Hold up. Alright, so there we go. It's a 9.5 as always. And let's see. Okay, I've seen these, but I don't think I've seen one with this like ankle collar thing right there. So yeah, this is interesting. This is a 9.5. So it looks like we have a nice material. It's kind of like the same material as an NMD right here. So I bet you this will stretch really well. The laces are actually pretty cool. You guys can see that right there. And then it actually does not have boost. I don't know what this is called. Do they call it like memory foam or something? I don't know, but yeah, let's see. Here's the other shoe right here. Yeah, overall, pretty nice looking shoe. You know, it's not really like a hype or a hype beast shoe. This is more like for your daily wear and stuff like this to school. So right here, like before the laces start, it says EQT. I'm pretty sure that's an abbreviation for equipment. Now I really don't know like much about this type of shoe, but yeah, they look fine, and I bet you they're comfortable. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put these on feet. I probably will. So yeah, we've basically gone over everything about this shoe. So let's go ahead and get these things on feet to see what they look like, and just to see the comfort, because I've never really tried another Adidas shoe that doesn't have boost. Okay, so I do think they do look pretty good on feet. It's Adidas, so they're obviously going to be pretty comfortable. So if you guys like this series, make sure to like this video and comment down below if you guys think we got a good deal on this shoe. So it retails for $120 and we got it for 40 bucks. Now obviously I think these are worth 40 bucks. I don't think they're worth 120, but if they had boost, they definitely would, but not like this. I mean, they're okay. Tell me in the comments if you like these shoes, and we're gonna have a bunch more of these videos coming, so make sure you stick around for that. And remember, if you have not already signed up for my sneaker giveaway when I hit 3,000 subscribers, make sure to go do that right now. Click the link in the description. But as always, thank you guys for watching.